Today I'm going to share with you how to make the cheesiest and creamiest mac and cheese. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by filling our pot halfway with water. To that we're going to add a good amount of salt and we're just going to bring it to a boil. Okay, so once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our pasta. And we're just going to cook it al dente according to its packet. Make sure that you mix it constantly so like that they don't stick together to the bottom of the pot. Alright, so after 6 minutes my macaroni is done. So now we're just going to drain it and set it to the side. Alright, now return it back to our pot over medium heat. Make sure that it is dry. We're going to be adding our 5 tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to allow it to melt. And once the butter melts, we're going to be adding our 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, mix it in with the butter and allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, after the minute, we're going to be adding our dried mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. Okay, now just mix it. And now slowly we're going to begin to pour our 2 cups of milk. Make sure that you're mixing as you're pouring and just add it slowly. Once that looks like that, we can begin to pour our 3 cups of heavy cream. Again, make sure that you're pouring it slowly. Now that we have added all of our liquid, we're just going to allow this to come to a simmer. Alrighty guys, so after 3 minutes, our sauce should have thickened up and it is ready. But now we're going to get ready to add our 6 cups of freshly grated cheese. I'm using a combination of sharp cheddar, medium cheddar, and Colby Jack. And at this point, you want to have your heat over low heat. Okay, so we're just going to allow our cheese to melt. Okay, so once the cheese melts, this is what our sauce should look like. So here we're just going to turn it off and get ready to add our macaroni. Okay, and once we have it mixed, now we can get ready to transfer it to our baking dish. So to 1 cup of plain panko, going to be adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter, along with a little bit of paprika, and we're just going to mix it. And once we have that, now we can get ready for the fun part. All right, so here I already have my buttered baking dish, and I'm just going to be adding half of my macaroni. Going to add more cheese. Okay, and I just add the rest of the macaroni. Here I'm going to top it with some more cheese. Okay, my breadcrumb topping. And now we're just going to place it in an oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until our cheese is nice and melted. Alright guys, and after a few minutes, we can now get ready to serve.